Here comes our project vehicle. Don't run over yourself there. .360 Mopar engine. I wonder where that's gonna go. Let me think. Ooh, yeah, I think I know. I think I got a spot for that thing. Yes, I do. Okay, we've got our first attempt at mocking up a transmission cross member. We're using an early 70s design mount. We've got this makeshift cross member for now clamped in there. We've got our center line. I think we're dead on that to the differential. And then our motor mounts, we're working on them here. We're going to make the right-hand motor mount solid. We've got a bracket cut, and we're going to fab it a little more and weld it. And then over here, we're going to use a rubber mount, pancake style, utilizing a bracket from an old transmission mount in there somewhere. Little transmission 101 here. Sometimes when you're putting the valve body in, the parking lever is a little tough to get in. So some of you may already know this, but you just take a 3/8 drive extension, you put it where the parking rod goes, and you turn the output shaft until it drops in. Then your parking rod goes right in when you put the valve body in. Just like that. And your valve body goes in just like that. Let's test these gauges. Go ahead, fire it up.
In the Liberty, here's the pile one. The Jeep Liberty built in the automotive class. It's got a 360 out of a late 70s Dodge motorhome. A 360 in the hood. The crowd goes wild. Lowmeyer in a Tesla 736.